Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my off the board / Christmas in May. Super late. Yep, I missed it, but it's okay. It's okay. My friends will forgive me. I will have everybody who did play on time linked down below. You will not find me in their links, but that is fine. So I've kind of gathered my December daily to work on a page, and I'm going to use this lovely sketch I found, which I'm pretty sure it looks like Becky Fleck. It looks like a page map sketch. I'm pretty sure it is. It's been saved on my Traveler's Notebook board for quite a while, and I thought this one would be really good for day 7 because my day 7 is shape is snowflakes, and there's not a lot to say for that day because it finally snowed. So get my little out. Day 7. Write in my little notebook. I already got my sticky note if you guys have been following when I have done these for you in the past. I've been kind of following. I don't have my pictures printed, so as I'm doing them, I'm making note of what size pictures I want and when. So what I've done so far is taken this Vicky Bouton paper from Warm Witches. I don't remember what this one is called, but here it is. And I like both sides, but mainly snowflake because the shape for the day 7 is snowflake. It was our first snow. So I have attached a piece of the snowflake part to just some black cardstock to make it long enough for a page protector. Well, actually it won't be in a page protector because the other side is going to be this window door thing and they need to be able to be open. So it will not be in a page protector, which is good because I'm gonna put this wooden tag on it as my title. So that lovely sketch. So I'm going to use this side. We're gonna glue it down here. I don't know how this is crooked, but it is. Story of my life. So we're gonna glue this down. And it's okay if it's a little crooked because I'm going to tear it. Ta-da! Just like in the lovely sketch. Alright, and I figured out what size my photo needs to be. This is actually the branding strip from that same paper, so we're going to stick that down to bridge that gap, which I love. And since I know what size paper I need, I had this glitter cardstock in my little stash thing here. I'm going to put that down as where my photo's gonna go. I really like this Seeking Simple Joys in the Season of Wonder. And I'll journal just a little bit right here, and then we're gonna tuck this on. So this will go on top of the photo, because if I'm not mistaken, pretty sure my son's mostly up in this corner. So we can cover it up a little. But I will mat the photo on this lovely glitter paper. Makes me wonder, can I just layer this under there? Because I don't really care about the star. I was going to cover it up anyway. Yeah. Then all I have to do is attach my tag, which is fantastic. And then this will be right there on top of the photo. And that is it. That is super easy. So this is gonna go in this I'm gonna attach one of those strips to it because it'll go on the back. I have to finish day 6 and figure out what papers I want with it. I know what I'm doing on this side, but not this side yet. So then I'm just gonna stick it in here for now until I figure that out, and then that will go in if I can, okay. I can get this to go in. Anywho, so I'll stick it in this page protector for now until I get everything else done. I gotta find my number 7. I had it. Not sure where I put it. For that other side. And then they will be on the outside ready to go. Maybe I'll just even use the back of that, because that would work. Well, there's my number 7. And I'll have my number 7 somewhere as well. Maybe we'll stick it right down there. I don't know. I haven't decided that. So yeah, real riveting video. This is pretty much all it was going to be last time too. Or if I would have posted it on time. I just didn't get to it. So thank you so much for watching. And then hopefully by July, I will have at least half of this done. That's my goal. But we're getting there. Day 7. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.